Hello kids, Nagar here. In this video I'm going to discuss how we're going to set up our foundational SAE. So we should all have already logged into the AET and we have started to set up our profile information. We're now going to click on Journal. Inside our journal you're going to see something that says Project Experience Manager SAE. Go ahead and click on that button right there. It's going to take us to our project manager. Inside here, you should not see anything right here. However, if you do, you're lucky and Miss Crabtree did some of your work for you. If you have not and you do not have anything here, you're going to click this Add New button and we are going to add a foundational SAE. Right here, I want you to go ahead and type in foundation. SAE. If you don't know how to spell foundation like Mr. Nagar, you can see right here. Got it. This is going to be an individual-based experience. You're going to go ahead and click this foundational button right here next to basic, and it's going to auto-populate foundational here and foundational skills. You're going to go ahead and hit save when you're finished, and voila, you have a foundational SAE. Congratulations.